In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your name on Facebook in 2024. Whether you're updating your name for personal reasons or just want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through the steps to update your profile name. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile, go to settings, tap on see more in account center, tap on profile. Here you can see name. Here you can update your name by changing your name into something relevant. You can also put your first name, middle name, and last name if the field is provided. Make sure to follow Facebook names guidelines. Facebook has specific rules for names, so ensure your new name adheres to their community standards. Once you've entered your name, tap on review change to see how it will appear on your profile. If you're satisfied with the preview, enter your password and tap on save change.